Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make 5-star Mrs. Joan Snow Sculpture in Heartopia. First, make sure you have already activated this snow sculpting hobby, and then reach level 5 as maximum level. And if you don't know how to activate it or level it up, just check the tutorial links in the descriptions to watch the full tutorials. And then next, for the important part, to get the 5-star Mrs. Joan Sculpture, you must sculpt during the correct weather. This one you must sculpt at the sunny, rainy or rainbow, and then it's all time like this. And then after that, just begin this snow sculpting minigame, and during the tapping rounds, just try to clear as many rounds as possible. The more rounds that you have successfully complete, the higher your chances to obtain a perfect 5-star sculpture like this. It will make the perfect sculpture, and I think it's so cute that looks like Mrs. Joanna with the kitty like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.